Hey YouTube, what is going on? So guys, I want to tell you about the next phase of my basically leveling project. This all started out because when I bought this truck, it had the stock Ranchos on it that I noticed were completely, the surface of them was rusted. They were very ugly. None of them were exactly blown, but then once I started looking at that, replacing those, I got into leveling kits, lift kits, and all this other stuff. Now I drive into Boston for work, and I have to be able to get in parking garages. So basically, the limit where I stopped was leveling the truck. So I've basically now, if you've looked at my other video, I got Eibach rear shocks to replace the Ranchos in the back, and they look great. Check out that video, just showing you before and after pictures. Now I want to show you what I'm going to do to the front. The center line to the bottom of the opening of the fender is exactly 2.5 inches different from the back. So if I raise this 2.5 inches, I'm going to get exactly perfect level truck. Now instead of just doing a leveling kit where it's like a spacer lift or something like that, and kind of limiting my travel, and since I was going to replace the shocks anyways, I found this kit from Eibach. If you're going to replace your shocks anyways and you want to level at the same time, this kit actually comes with the back shocks, the 2 front shocks, which are adjustable just like the Bilstein 5100s. And unlike the other kits, Eibach actually comes with a brand new spring. Now it's a stiffer spring, so it's going to give me a little bit more of a solid ride. It's not gonna be spongy, so it'll be interesting to see how a lot of guys that have put these on love it. There are a few complaints that it's a little too stiff, so we'll see how it goes for me. Now at the same time, when you raise this truck up 2.5 inches, you have to, this is a 2016, I think April and on, and then up, all had cast steel, no, not cast steel, stamped steel upper control arms. The ball joints are actually, once you put them at an angle, if you lift it, the ball joint can actually work itself out, and you can have a ball joint failure, and you can cause damage to your truck. So the one way I'm going to combat that is with this. And I looked at a lot of upper control arms that are going to fix my angle and stuff like this. And then I ended up finding these from Cognito, because the first ones, I actually not going to pull this out. Well, let's see. Oh, this is so beautiful. This I love. It's really going to give it a beefy, heavy-duty look, so I'm excited about these. So originally, guys, when I went to look for upper control arms, now what I can show you right away is the angle difference between this and stock. This is going to allow the ball joint to sit nice and flat when I raise this truck up. This end is going to go up, and then this is going to fix that angle. But anyways, you have to check your truck, the Silverados and the GMCs. Like I said, 2016 at some point, I think April and later manufacture dates, instead of cast steel, have stamped steel. The other one is aluminum. So if you have aluminum or the stamped, they both use the same, I want to say it's the ball joint that changed. And then also, like I said, you don't want to, if you have the stamped steel, you absolutely should not be doing any sort of lift or leveling without considering doing upper control arms. Even if you replace it with a cast or an aluminum upper control arm that won't have that likelihood of the ball joint failure. But so anyways, this is basically, I just wanted to give you guys a little tease, because I can't start this project for another little few days until I get back from a trip. I don't want to do all this, not have it aligned, and then go for a big trip. I want to be able to do all this, take it right to the alignment shop and get it aligned. But anyways, check this out. I'm going to give you guys more pictures. I'm really excited about putting this stuff on the truck, and I'll let you know how it goes, and you'll be able to see the results. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to see how this goes, definitely keep following and check out my future videos, guys.